Good morning. I am Coimbatore Tirumular Siddharpeetham Sivayogi Sivarajan speaking. Now I am going to speak about Boger's Kriya Yoga. When one speaks of Kriya Yoga, people think of Kriya Babaji. Kriya Babaji's Gufa cave is in North India. It is near Karna Prayag. There are so many Prayags on the way to Badrinath and Kedarnath. And that way you can see one Karna Prayag. Yeah, Prayag means joining of rivers. Generally, when one speaks of Prayag, people think of Allahabad. The Allahabad's original name was Prayag, because here the Ganges, the Yamuna and the mystic Saraswati join. So after that, the Muslims named it after Allahabad, and the name existed, stayed. But a Muslim name was given to Kasi. Aurangzeb named Kasi Varanasi after Muhammadabad. That name did not stay. People maintained the name Kasi. But the name, very important name for Prayag, very important in Hindu philosophy, where this Kumbh Mela is being conducted. The original name is Prayag. In the same way, you can see many Prayags, river joins. When two rivers join in one place, this is called Prayag. Karna Prayag is there. And near that Karna Prayag, Kriya Babaji's cave is there. So this Kriya Babaji derived this Kriya Yoga from Saint Boger. Actually, the original composer of Kriya Yoga is Boger Maharishi. Saint Boger is Boger Maharishi, and he comes of this Nada tradition. There are two Nada traditions in India. This is Nanti Nada Parampara. Boger comes of Nanti Nada Parampara. Tirumular is also of Nanti Nada Parampara. So this Nath Boga is also Nath. Tirumula Nadar, Kalangi Nadar, and Boganadar. He advised a package of yoga principles together, and it is called Kriya Yoga. So Kriya Yoga is not a mere single yoga. It is a mixture. It is having many segments. It is a combination of different yogas. So the Raja Yoga is having a part in Kriya Yoga in the form of asanas. The Kriya Yogis do asanas. They selected nearly 24 asanas. These asanas work in the physical plane, Annamaya Kosha level. Yama, Niyama and Asana. These are appear into the Annamaya Kosha level. So, for a yogi, the physical body also should be in good condition. Then will be the life force will be in the maximum level for the yogi. That's why Yama, Niyama and Asanas are observed. And in the Kriya Yoga also it is given importance. Then next portion of Kriya Yoga is Sadkriya. cleansing process, cleansing of the body, cleansing of the Kabbalah, that is Kapalabhati, nasal cleansing, Uddiyana, cleansing the intestines, then Nauli, churning the intestines, then Basti. Likewise, these are the cleansing process. If toxins stay in the physical body, they will close the nadis in the astral body. The impurity staying in the body will close the nadis. For the yogis, the nadis should be open. It should be in the open condition. Then only they can do these different kinds of sadhana. The spiritual practice is, in other words, called sadhana. They can do sadhana only after cleansing the physical body and the astral body. So these are the 6 kriyas. They are from Hatha Yoga. One should know the cleansing process of the Kriya Yoga is from Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga Pradipika. The owner of this Hatha Yoga is Shiva, but it is the exponent of Hatha Yoga is Malsyendra Natha. Actually speaking, this Malsyendra Natha is said to be the first of the Nandinatha Parampara. And Goraknath becomes the first in the Adinatha Parampara. So, this portion, the Kriya Yogi should know that this is a portion taken from Hatha Yoga of Malsyendra Nath. Because some students argue with me that this Kriya Yoga is a special invention of Kriya Babaji. No, this is a combination also formulated by Saint Bogar first. In his literature, these are all available in Bogar Saptakantam, the Bogar, the Kayakalpa, all these things are there. Then what happens? Vasi Yoga. In Kerala, Swami Sivananda has propagated the Vasi Yoga even to the common man. Because it is an advanced yoga, it was prevalent among the yogis of highest order, mumukshus, highest seekers. Now it is available for common man. But this is also part of this Kriya Yoga. Advanced, actually level 3 pranayama, Sushma pranayama, Vasi Sushma pranayama. Ordinary pranayama is a lungs breathing. This Vasi pranayama is Sushma pranayama in the astral level, Sushma breathing. So this is also a component of that Kriya Yoga. This Vasi Yoga is promoted by Tamil Siddhas, even from Agastya Tirumular. From Tirumular it is coming down from through this Kalanginath and then Bohar, and it becomes a part of this Kriya Yoga. The next component of this Kriya Yoga is, that is Kaya Kalpa. Because Bogar has said so many Kaya Kalpa herbs for strengthening the body, fortifying the bodies, and rejuvenating the bodies. And there are so many herbs available in Bogar Kayagarpa. Separate Kayagarpa 300 is also available in the market. So this also forms a part of the Kriya Yoga. So that is how it is having many compartments. So you may call one train, but it is having compartments. This is the component. Then the very important component is That is, the karma, this Kriya Yoga means getting things done without doing any action. It's a very important portion of Kriya Yoga. Kriya Yoga definition is that getting things done without doing any action. That means you do action without the action being recorded in your causal body. Whether you do a good thing or bad thing or anything, that will be recorded within your own causal body. The causal body too, these karmas, good karma and bad karmas are recorded. These are available in record. So even if you hide your actions from other people, it is recorded automatically and it remains a seed for the next birth. So a Siddha who wants to stop birth have to make this karma zero. So he remains in the zero level and gets things done. He will remain in meditation. He will remain, and when he conceives this in his mind, that will be carried out. Because these energies are available in the universe in the form of 5 elements. The causal energy is Parashakti. The sky energy, that is for cosmic energy. That is why even Taoism of Boger also maintains that the space energy is the final one, and it is in the form of 5 elements. And whatever the tattvas or maya or truth, everything is within the combination. So when you identify yourself with the causal energy, your thoughts will be translated into action. This is real Kriya Yoga. Getting Kriyas done without Kriya. That is Kriya Yoga. Many people don't know that. They know only the exercise portion. This is the philosophy portion of Kriya Yoga. Boger has written in Chinese language also. In China also this philosophy is there in different name. Wei Wei. This is the name given in the Chinese language. So this Kriya Yoga is a package, and it should be done in different stages. And the original Kriya Yoga explained by Kriya Babaji is available in Tamil records, and it has been segmented into 16 parts. But in Kerala also Kriya Yoga is famous. There many people are teaching 6 parts. But the original, when we see scrutinize the Tamil records, there it is in detail, and minimum 16 parts are there. Then only one will get full benefit of it. Kayakalpa, all these things are needed for yogi. So Kriya Yoga is bogus. Kriya Yoga is the first and the final one. There is a model, prototype. And if any Kriya Yoga is taught elsewhere in different forms, they are only not complete forms. They are only the corrupt forms of that original. The original Kriya Yoga is of Boger, and that only I am teaching. Tirumular philosophy is developed further by Kalinganath and still further by Boger, and that I am taking the literature guidelines from Boger and all these Siddhas to formulate the Kriya Yoga, and I am giving practical training on the basis of these original records available only in Tamil. They are yet to be translated into other languages. So if you want to learn and to know the real Kriya Yoga, you have to read and research on Boga literature. Those who want to learn Kriya Yoga, contact me. Thank you.